Where's the plane go? Again? I don't think so. Come on, let's go find it. Come on, let's go. Here. See, there's nothing here. There's nothing here. I have no plane.
Maybe it went over the wall.
You know what? Let's go check up there again. Wait a minute. Let's rewind the video.
Where's the yellow wheel? I wanna scare the There's a yellow wheel.
There's a yellow one? Okay, wait a minute. Let's rewind the video. Let's see what happens. Okay. So now there it goes. Okay, where? Oh, wait a minute. There's a plane. There it goes. And now it flew away again. Dang it! It went to the sky again.
That was that's my brother. I can't back down.
You know what? I think it's gonna be coming down in 2 more minutes. Okay, now go up the slide and watch the plane come down. Okay? Come here. Okay, like the plane is coming down in 2 more minutes.
In 2 more minutes?
Yes, you gotta come down and the plane is gonna come down too at the same time.
How's it gonna come down?
Okay. Give it the plane. Quickly. Thank you.
Go. You could throw it up in the sky. The plane is
Watch out.
already down.
Where? No, we do that. Do it again. Hey, it's coming down. I see it. Did you see it?
Oh, I see the little spot.
Did you see the plane up there?
It's not you see the spot.
Wait, there it goes. It just flew. It just flew down. It just flew down. Did you see that? I told you the plane went down the slide and then it came back down.
Did that slide?
No, that slide.
Oh, okay, let's do it again.
All right, do it again. All right, here we go. Are you leaving? Okay, well, it was nice playing with you. I'll see you next time. We're waiting. There it is. This time I picked it up.
I thought it flew. No! It flew all the way to the moon. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. My brother went to these kids still playing.
Okay.
My mom and grandma kids
Like in 1 hour? In 1 hour you're gonna go home? Okay. 1 minute? Okay. Oh man, it's so okay.
I'm not gonna go like this. I'm gonna flip over. Don't even have to do it.
That's your purse? Okay, let me see if I can get the plane again. You know what? I'm gonna go get some more toys. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back. Let me see.
That's gonna look really good. He's just gonna think they're making
Okay.
McDonald's.
Keep him company, okay? Don't tell him where I went, okay? I'll be right back.